Is your garage door refusing to budge? Unusual noises may indicate a serious motor issue lurking within. When it struggles to open or makes loud grinding sounds, pause and think. Your safety might be at risk. Stop for a moment. Have you noticed slow response times after pressing your remote? This could signal internal wear. A jerky garage door that stops midway is more than just annoying. It's a sign the motor might be failing. If your garage door reverses suddenly, you may be dealing with a power inconsistency within the motor itself. Overheating motors can be detrimental. If yours shuts down unexpectedly, it may be working too hard or nearing the end. Is there a burning smell in the air? It's crucial to identify overheating or electrical issues before they escalate. Before assuming the worst, check the power source and ensure everything is functioning properly. Troubleshooting can offer clarity. If issues persist, turning to professionals for garage door repair is essential. They can diagnose and resolve underlying problems. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Timely repairs enhance your garage door's reliability, ensuring convenience and security today.